Hi guys, we're at the Lincoln. Oh,
Hi guys, we're at the
Lincoln Central level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam. Silly man, you naughty man, and the new barriers. Nice and slow. I can hear that new alarm from here. Loud. That's a loud alarm.
There it goes, having 13:05 on Saturday the 28th of February 2015, and this is for our 13:09, 1 Echo 09 East Coast service from Edinburgh to Grimsby Cross.
What he said.
Exactly.
Exactly. Yeah.
We should be getting a freight soon anyway, at 13:20.
Okay.
And then when after the 13:20 from Leeds to Ipswich, I'm going home.
Okay. I actually caught more of the closure this time, unlike on the new alarm side. It just like broke and then I didn't.
Camera focus, yeah.
Yeah. I remember when me and Andrew were Skyping at Highcombe. We were there until it was really dark. Or it wasn't like I was just Skyping him.
Which things I forgot now. I know it's 1 Echo 09 something.
Yeah.
Well, I saw it signal so. Oh, yeah, we can probably go from that way.
Mm.
It's Edinburgh Kings.
So it's Edinburgh to Kings. Mm.
This morning we had a 67 calling a 91.
Yeah.
There's a green one as well.
Yeah. I wonder if Brayford's you know Brayford level crossing, I wonder if the barriers there are gonna get upgraded since Lincoln Central's got upgraded. Will Brayford's get upgraded?
It's time, really, it's taking its time.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh,
46.
yeah, at the moment we've got a diversion, so yeah. And there it goes.
So,
And that's it.